Hi everyone, this is Stephane Maarek and I need your help. For the past 9 years, I've been creating online courses, but 4 years ago, I picked up a new passion, learning the piano. I've been a teacher for a while, but now it feels good to be a student. And all of a sudden, 1 year ago, I started to compose music. And so today is a special day. I'm feeling a little vulnerable because I'm releasing my first song called She Flies, and you've been listening to it in this video. It's part of my EP, From the Cloud, under my artist name, Maarek. And so I need your help. You've supported me all along on my cloud journey, but now I need help to support me on my musical journey. So please, 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 if you can go on Spotify and stream the song She Flies, that would mean the world to me. Also, if you want to be extra nice and extra helpful and you like my music, please follow me on Instagram at makera.music. You can follow me on YouTube, on Spotify. I will be releasing one new song every month. I have 5 in total, so I hope you're excited because I truly am. And don't worry, I will keep on updating my online courses like I've done for the past 9 years. This is not a new job, this is a new passion. Please reply to this video. I will make sure to reply back to you. See you soon and happy listening.